Hello everyone. So the most important topic to learn English for beginners, single letter sounds. Everyone learn alphabet, but this is very important topic to learn each and every one of English learner. So here let's start with the A. A has four common sounds like short A as in cat, fan, jam, map, am, lamb, like that. So next sound is long A as in make. So here A is little bit long. We are pronouncing little bit long. Like make, take, stake, came, fame, like that. The third one is or as in last, father, palm, path. And usually says are before two consonants. And fourth one is as in all, wall, call, fall, mall, etc. Next is B. B has one sound, b, as in ball, bed, cab, stab. And also B is sometimes silent, as in depth, dumb, plumber, climb. Actually plumber, it's not plumber, it's plumber. Climb, lamb. Next, C has two sounds, k as in can, cut, cranky, and s as in center, city, cycle, sell, etc. D has one sound, d, as in desk, dark, tread, said. And also D is doubled when it is preceded by a short vowel or and we add an ending that begins with a vowel like budding, wedding, hidden, kid, add, etc. E has two sounds. Short E as in bed, leg, pen. Long E as in we, he, me, she, etc. F has one sound, f, as feet, free, fun, shell. F is usually doubled after a short vowel, traffic, suffer, duffer, offer, etc. G has two sounds, g as in god, dug, fig, girl, grey. When G is followed by EI or Y, it says Z as in giant, gypsy, gem, birch, etc. Cage and also cage, mage, stage, etc. H has two sounds. It says her as in whole, held, hide, horse, etc. Combines to form CH, PH, SH, TH, WH as in chain, phone, sharp, three, where. Next, I has two sounds. Short I is as in hit. It sounds like E. In hit, if, into, split. Long I as in bind, glide, pine, shine. The finally makes I says its name, all long sound. J has one sound, j, in jest, jaw, jump. J never ends an English word. The sound J after a short vowel is always spelled j, as in ledge, porridge. K has two sounds, k as in cake, silk, rank. K sound after short vowel is spelled k, means pack, suck, tick, spack. L says L as in lip, lone, fell, bullet. L is often doubled when it comes after a short vowel, ball, fell, doll, hull. In some words, L is silent as in calf, yolk, half. So here L is silent. M says M as in mug, mouse, clump, shrimp, swimmer, and double the M when it comes after a short vowel, swim, swimming, hum, humming. N says N as in nut, nest, funny. N is double when it follows a short vowel and we add an ending. Win, winning, fun, funniest. O has three sounds. Short O as in box, mop. Long O as in bone, note, coke. Now, note finally makes previous vowel says it's a long sound. Short U sound as in brother, done, front. In few words, the single letter O makes oo sound. Do, who, to. P says P as in top, plant, stopping. P is doubled after short vowel when adding and ending as in trapping, trap, lap, lapping, shop, shopping. Q says Q. Q is always followed by U. Quite, queen, squabble, squid. R says R as in drop, roast, drab, track. Often combines with vowel R. Card, ear, bird, air, pet, or actor, S has two sounds. S as in sat, sent, less, mass. Z as in has, was, is. S never says Z when it begins a word. Z is used instead zone, zap. S is often doubled when it followed a short vowel as in his, boss. T says T as in truck. T says T as in truck, pet, sit, later, butter. T is often joined with H to make the sound the th, as in three, moth. When T follows a short vowel and we add an ending that begin with vowel, when T follows a short vowel and we add an ending that begins with a vowel, the T is doubled. Cut, cutting, hit, hitting, pat, patted. U makes three sounds. Short U as in it pronounced as like cut. Bun, fun. Long U as in tune, uniform, mule. Note finally makes the previous vowel says its long sound. Short O as in put, full, pull. No English word end in U. The one exception is U is added to complete these words as in true, glue, blue, flew, etc. V says we as in wine, victory, van. Note English word never end with V. We add E as in gave. W says were as in win, want, wind. W is sometimes combined with H, WH and R, WR. White, while, right, wrong. W is sometimes combined with vowels O, and Eve. Crow, thaw, few, etc. X makes the sound as in fox, mix, max, mixture, fixture. Y has three sounds. It is its consonant sound LO at your. Short I is a short E as in funny, silly, mystery. Long I sounds as in sky, by, my, cycle. Y can act as both a vowel and a consonant. Z has one sound as in zoo, zone, lazy, buzz. Z is usually doubled when we add ing, buzzing, whizzing. And here are Some two letter make one sound, like th has two sounds, thinking, think, thin. And this, th and the, it has two sounds, th and the. Sh has one sound, as shop, shed, shave, or wash dash fish. Ch has three sounds, k in as in school, chemist, eco, chemical, etc. Sh as in champion, chef, etc. Ch as in chop, chain, such, much. Note in some words it says ch. Example, much, rich, such, which. CK says k and only comes after a short vowel as in pick, packet, lock, bucket. So these are the important sounds to practice English words easily. I hope you will enjoy this video and please do subscribe for next videos.